Guess what time is it now, guys? This is the time for Sephora unpacking. Do I sound like a clown? Because I'm literally a clown lady, you know? The best clown lady in the world. So in any case, this bag, oh my god, it's heavy. And it was heavy on my wallet as well. It's not only Sephora. I also ran by KIKO. I got these makeup wipes, waterproof makeup remover wipes in a really small, cute bag. I got it because I'm going for a business trip and I'm going to travel a lot during the weekends when I'm in Europe. Planning to take some small bag on the weekends, so I don't want to take all of my makeup and beauty stuff and removers with me. So I think that it will be really useful to have these small wipes. And usually KIKO wipes are really good for waterproof makeup. And I got this I'm not sure how you call it, cognac sponge. I usually don't like using this stuff because I have this paranoia that all the bacteria will live in the sponge. I love to exfoliate a lot. And I have this Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow exfoliator, but sometimes I want like more exfoliation even when I'm just cleansing my face, not like twice a week when I do this Pre-Show Glow exfoliation. So I decided to buy this cognac sponge. I will try to wash it really nicely after I use it for the first time, and then I will see how it looks, because I'm really scared of bacteria and everything. Next on the agenda are false lashes and lash glue. I've never tried lashes and lash glue from KIKO, but I must say I only tried some lashes maybe 2 or 3 times in my life when I really tried to put them on. I think only once I was successful because it's pretty hard. I mean, you need to do it a lot to kind of get used to it and to do it quicker. So I want to try this one. I'm gonna let you know, guys, if I liked it. I got this eyeshadow palette. It's called Green Me Shades Cool Spice 101. I had the same palette for like 5 years, maybe more. And I mostly use like 3 or 4 colors from this palette, but I understand that the expiration period was long gone. And some of my favorite colors are already, you know, like only on the edges. So I thought that they don't make this anymore. I was pretty shocked when I saw this palette at the store today. Camera kind of changes the colors. On the camera you will see more like brick and orangey brown colors, but actually it's like they're like cool brown colors. So I have the kind of dark brown for my lash area, lighter brown but still deep brown that I also put like on the liner area. And then I have these 2 shades, like really light brown and light rosy brown, that I use on my eyelids. I also got a brush from the same Green Me collection. Currently I'm kind of in between the brushes. I was using one, I think it's called Beauty brush, for a really long time. I mean, for at least a year or year and a half. And now, I mean, it's lived its life and she's ready to go. So I'm trying to find something similar for my bronzer and like contouring, which I only use like dry bronzer and contouring. I almost don't use any liquid products because I have oily skin. I think it's synthetic, but I mean, it feels like a real brush. Hope that this part gonna serve for a long time. That's all from KIKO, and now the Sephora bag starts. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna start with something new that I did not try before. It's this Clarins Total Eye Lift Eye Cream. It has really good reviews on all websites for a long time. I know they also have a lifting face mask. It's called, I think, We Lift. My sister who lives in US was telling me a lot about this mask, but I could not find it in UAE. But this Total Eye Lift cream, I finally found. Also, like many times I was coming to Clarins store or Sephora or any other store where you can buy Clarins, and it was never available. And today I saw it and I grabbed it right away, and I'm starting to have these wrinkles around my eyes. I'm 30 this year, so I kind of have to think about my skin more. Another thing that I haven't used before, but I still got it, is this Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Salicylic Serum. Like a lot of words. How it looks. It smells like strawberry, like, you know, like real strawberry from the garden. That's how the bottle looks. It's pretty small, but you know how it is, guys. When it comes to the skincare, it's pretty expensive, so the packaging is really small usually. I'm prone to like breakouts, acne, and I try to use acids, but like light, gentle acids in all of my skincare. And this one, as they say on the packaging, I didn't use it yet, says that it reveals smoother, even skin texture with this gently clarifying, non-sticky salicylic acid serum. The pillowy water gel formula clears blemish-prone skin through exfoliation and quickly absorbs without leaving it feeling overly tight and dry. It has 10% clarity acid complex, which is, I mean, not some scientific stuff, it's just something they gave a name to. And this clarity acid complex includes 2% BHA, 1% AHA, 3.5% strawberry, whatever it means, 3% azelaic acid, and 0.5% succinic acid. Succinic, I think it's succinic acid, sorry guys. I mean BHA, AHA, and azelaic acid, I know, I was prescribed this by my dermatologist. By the way, guys, this is the thing. If you have any problems with skin, the first thing that you should do is go to the dermatologist or I believe beautician, but better to go to dermatologist. This is the best way. Don't try to treat your skin by yourself at home. You always need to see a doctor, especially when you use some acids, because it can be dangerous. Let's try it on my skin. Oop, that's a lot. Considering that I'm not going to use it right now on my face, that's too much. The texture is amazing. It's really like fast absorbing. It smells, I mean, it smells delicious. It smells bomb, like the K Queen says. I'm a fan. It's not sticky. It's really nice. I saw someone using this, or I think watermelon serum under their makeup, but I still prefer to use the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor face cream, face moisturizer before my makeup, because it has SPF 30 and I really love to just use this Hydra Visor cream on my face before the makeup. But this one I'm gonna use before my moisturizer. The next thing I got is Fenty Beauty Eye Pencil. It's called actually Fly Pencil. To be frank, I only bought it because the packaging looks bomb. That's how the packaging looks. It's kind of reflective, like this lavender color in reflective material. The color that I got is called Bad Bright, which I am. I mean, I'm the worst bride because I'm not a bride and I've never been. And it's kind of like white color, but it's pretty transparent and it has a shimmer. So on the camera it looks pretty bold, but it's not like this. It's more transparent in real life. And I want to use it like on the inside lid to kind of make my eyes bigger. I mean, I'm gonna try. But in any case, even if I don't use it, I just really love the packaging. It looks amazing, so I got it, guys. As we are speaking about Fenty Beauty already, the next thing I'm gonna show you is this Melt AWF. This is a new product in Fenty Skin. I have almost everything from Fenty Skin. You can see one Fenty Skin unpacking video on my YouTube. I buy this stuff like every month. I really love it. It's amazing quality. It's really good price for this type of quality. The packaging is really stylish and it looks amazing on my vanity table. All the packaging is like in this really nice minimalistic style. But what I love the most is that all Fenty Skin products has refills. So you only throw out the fully recyclable kind of inside and then put a refill inside, which is amazing. And I think all the brands must do it. I'm removing my makeup with this Melt AWF, which is a jelly oil makeup melting cleanser. I use melting cleansers every day because I put on makeup every day, and once I tried the melting balm for my makeup removal, like for the first time, it was the Drunk Elephant Sly Butter. And I really loved how it takes off the makeup and that I don't need to use any cotton pads. I can just massage this melting butter over my eyes. Then I tried a cheaper option, the ELF, or it's called ELF brand. They also have the melting makeup removal balm. It's cheaper than Drunk Elephant. It's different. I would say that Drunk Elephant is more oily, and this ELF melting cleanser is more milky when it melts on your face. But when I saw that Fenty Skin is now launching the melting balm for melting your makeup, I was so excited. And I think that now I'm only gonna use this one. And I really love the packaging. I mean, it's amazing. This is a pretty viral thing. Two-faced lip injection plumping lip gloss. This is the second one. I bought the first one, I think, this January. So like a couple of months ago, I bought it and I'm already out of it because I use it every day. It's really plumping your lips. How it looks inside. It looks pinky, but actually, like in real life, I mean, when you put it on your lips, it's just transparent. But if you put it without any base, I mean, usually when I do my makeup, some powder and some foundation is left on my lips, so that's what I call the base. And then I use like the liner right over the base and the lip gloss as well. So it works really good for me when I use it over the base. If I put it on bare lips, in some time, because of this plumping effect, my lips are getting too red, and I don't like this effect. So I usually only use it like a couple times in the morning when I have the fresh makeup and I still have some base on my lips. But during the day, I use other products. I use the lip oil that I'm gonna show you next. This lip oil, guys, this is to die for. I'm obsessed with this lip oil. This is also the second one that I bought. The first one I bought maybe couple weeks ago and I'm still not out of it, but I just wanted to leave one at my desk at work and one to put in my bag so I never forget it, because guys, I'm literally obsessed. This lip oil is the best. I mean, I tried all the stuff for lips, all the lip oils, all the lip balms, lip plumpers, everything. This Fenty Skin Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil is best. I love it. I'm in love with it. The smell is amazing. It's just this delicious cherry smell. It's transparent on your lips. It's not sticky. It's really light, but at the same time, it stays really good for quite a long time on your lips, continuing to really condition and moisturize your lips. Why I love this lip oil, that you can use it during the whole day. So I put it on in the morning when I finish my makeup, when I line my lips, and then I just put this lip oil on my lips to have this shiny, glossy lip. And then during the day, I continue putting it on my lips because really I'm obsessed. This one is the best. The smell, the texture, the result is amazing. This gloss that it has, this shine, it's only because it's like an oil. It does not have any shimmer or these like particles that are shiny inside, which I don't really love in glosses. So this one is perfect. I bought it to all of my friends, to all of my colleagues for International Women's Day. Guys, you must try it. Once you try it, you will never stop. And this is the last product from Fenty Skin. It's a Hydra Visor Face Moisturizer. It's SPF 30, which is really hard to find. And I live in UAE, so that it's sunny here 365 days a year. And I also use all these acids. I must use SPF. And guys, everyone has to use SPF. This is a must. In 2023, everyone must know it. Use SPF. But to be frank, because I use so much makeup and like so many products, it's hard for me to use SPF and moisturizer all together, especially when SPF is like this fatty, oily product. So this one was perfect for me. It has SPF 30, it's really light, it's a perfect base for your makeup, and it also has refills. So this one is a refill. I'm not gonna open it because I just opened another refill recently and I loaded it into this bottle that I have. I think this is 4th or 5th refill that I'm buying because I literally use this moisturizer every day. I'm in love with it. I'm not going to change it. And the last thing that I purchased today, Rare Beauty foundation. Recently, everyone was obsessed with Rare Beauty products, and I mean Selena, our girl, the best one. I've never tried anything from this brand, not because like I did not want to try. I'm just kind of this person who, if I like something, I'm gonna use it again and again and again, and it's hard for me to try something else because I'm afraid that what if I don't like this product, I better use something that I use for a long time already. But I had a real problem finding a foundation here in Dubai. For the last few months, I was using the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It's really light, it behaves really well during the day, which is important for me because I wear makeup like for 12 hours a day at least. And in the mall next to my office, they don't have Armani at Sephora. I decided that I'm just gonna try to buy something else. Thanks to the beauty station, the beauty hub that Sephora has, I was able to try different foundations. I tried the Urban Decay. Is it called Urban Decay? I hope, yeah, Urban Decay foundation, the Naked foundation. Everyone was saying that it's really good, but I did not find the correct shade. I mean, it's really hard to find the light shades in UAE. Most of the foundations that you can find here are either like beige color and darker colors because most of the people attend here, even if they have like fair skin. But I think it's really hard for people with fair skin to find a light foundation because even if the brand has such shade, most probably it won't be available at the store. After I tried Urban Decay and I did not like the color, I went to Shiseido because I used to use the Shiseido Synchro Skin Foundation for a really long time. It's also a non-tanning season because it's getting really hot in UAE, so my skin will get even lighter, so I did not want to buy a dark foundation. And the foundation that was good for me in Shiseido line was not available, of course, because it was too light. I had Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty products, but foundation, it's too heavy for me, so I bought it once, but it's hard for me to use it on a daily basis. And so finally I went to the Rare Beauty stand. First of all, this packaging looks amazing. Let me open it. So it has this like applicator inside. Never used a foundation with such an applicator, so let's see if I'm gonna like it. This is a shade 130N. It's like one of the lightest ones. This is all. These are all my purchases. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.